Hello, it's Miss Brienne from the Pickerington Public Library and Youth Services Department, and I wanted to talk to you today about our newest grab and go activity for our school age friends, and this one is called UV Shelter, UV Shelter. So with this activity, you're going to be making a shelter to help keep a little creature that you make safe from the sun. So I need to talk to you a little bit about ultraviolet or UV radiation. And actually this comes from the sun and it can be pretty damaging to people. UV radiation can cause tanning, sunburns, can even damage your eyes. That's why it's important that we wear sunscreen when we're going to be in the sun for long periods of time. We wear sunglasses to protect our eyes. We don't look directly at the sun. So we do all these things to kind of protect us from those harmful UV rays from the sun, UV or ultraviolet rays. So for this project, you're going to be making a little bug or animal. We're going to provide you with those materials, and then you're going to try to make a shelter for him that will protect him from the UV rays. So what that bag is going to include are some pipe cleaners, some beads, and then you're also going to get some beads that are, they're going to look clear or white. I'll show you my little bug here. These are special UV beads. So when these beads are out in the sunlight and are getting activated by those ultraviolet rays, they're going to change colors. So these beads actually turn pink, purple, orange, and yellow. So in your packet, you're going to get some darker colored beads so that they don't kind of blend into each other, because mine kind of did that when I did my project. So this is my little creature that I made, little guy. And after you make him, you can make an insect or a bug. I put little 6 legs on my guy, I put some antenna on top. After you make your creature, if you want to go test him out in the sun, I'll show you what it looks like when they get out there. This is what he looks like inside. Note those clear beads. And here's where he's been activated by the sun. These two right here, this kind of pinkish color and the purple color, those are the UV beads. So here you see they are clear, and here you see they've changed color. Same with these two back here, behind his second pair of legs. They were white or clear up here, but back here they've turned yellow and purple. So that's what's going to happen when they are activated by that sunlight, by those ultraviolet rays. So you'll make your creature, you'll take him outside, and you want to create a shelter for him that's made out of natural materials like a bug or animal would. So you're going to want to use things like rocks, twigs, leaves, flowers, whatever you can find outside to help you build your shelter. So your shelter is going to have to do a pretty good job of protecting your creature from those UV rays. So I'll show you some of my attempts that I made. I will also tell you it was a very windy day when I tried this. So a lot of the shelters that I thought were going to be pretty good blew over before they could even protect my little creature. So here's my first attempt. Oh, that's a fail. I tried to give him like a little palm tree and some rocks, you know, try to have him sitting in the shade under the leaves, but the wind knocked it over, and as you can see where the arrows are pointing, those clear beads turned purple, pink, and yellow. So that was a fail. So I tried again. That's all you can do, right? So let's see my next attempt. Oh, I tried to make something sturdier. I kind of had Lincoln logs in mind. And so I tried to build him a little log house, but I just couldn't get a roof quite right on this one. So again, another failed attempt, but I'm learning as I'm going, I'm learning. You can see again there that those beads had been activated. They're not clear, they're not whitish. So that one didn't work. Let's see my next attempt. Oh, here I got bold, and I said, I'm gonna try some rocks. Still not there yet. What do you think I could do to change this here? How could I protect him a little bit better? Because I had 2 walls, those bottom rocks. The rock on top kind of made like a roof, but there's still some light peeking through there. So I thought, well, in that hole in the background where the light is peeking through, I shoved a bunch of leaves back there. And it worked. You see, I've covered up the hole where the light was trying to peek through, and you can see my beads here have turned back to that clear or whitish color. So I did it. Yeah, it took me a couple tries, but I figured it out. And I think you can figure it out too. So what I would like to see you do is When you get your packet, you make your creature however you'd like. String those beads onto those pipe cleaners, twist them, turn them however you want to make your creature, and then get outside and see what materials you have and see what you can make. Once you've made a successful shelter, try some different things. Try a different part of your yard, try a different time of day, see what you can make happen with your little UV creature. So I hope you like this project. It was lots of fun. And if you get very interested in learning about the sun or the sun's rays, even insects and animals, just remember we have all kinds of amazing books here at the library that you could check out once you try this experiment. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.